Hi everyone, welcome to the second episode of the Inktober 2024 Brainstorming Prompts series. If you are new to Inktober, allow me to introduce you to it with the video linked in description. If you have not decided on what to sketch for the first prompt, backpack, the first episode of this series can serve you with some options. Link in the description. That said, let's brainstorm discover. You can draw a ship arrived at an unknown island, scientists discovering a new element in a lab, doctors finding new medicine or vaccine. Related to nature, you can draw a man stumbling upon an unexplored forest or an unknown animal, plant, or flower or tree. Related to space discovery, you can draw someone looking through a telescope, an astronaut discovering a new planet or alien species, or spotting a UFO in the sky. You can draw treasures from the past or fossils and ancient archaeological things unearthed. If you have made a character on your own and are incorporating it in every sketch for Inktober, you can draw the character holding a magnifying glass. There are movies about discovery like Interstellar, The Martian, and even Disney movies like Cinderella and Tangled, where the characters get to discover a new place that they were kept away from. You can draw a chef discovering a new recipe. About self discovery, you can draw an old man turning the pages of his old journal and retrospecting, or a man meditating, or looking at himself in the mirror, symbolizing introspection and personal growth. You can draw someone reading books in a library or browsing the internet and discovering new ideas, discovering a secret, and if it can be revealed, then the story in caption. Something from your personal experience, maybe, like discovering a new song or an old favorite song, perhaps on radio, discovering a new hobby. Children learn a lot of new things as they grow. You can sketch a child in awe while looking at something new. For them, everything new is discovery. What's your favorite discovery from history? Something that has amazed you? Share the story through your sketch. Your sketch could also be from fiction like The Chronicles of Narnia, Alice in Wonderland, or Harry Potter. I hope this helps. Let me know in comments your favorite option from these or any other new ideas. And feel free to tag me in your Inktober sketches in Instagram to be featured on my story. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon with the next prompt, Boots.